These 5 AI tools are changing the game in 2025, and most of them are free. Stay tuned to find your next secret productivity weapon. Let's go over the top 5 AI tools you need now this week. From automating your social media to generating entire websites in seconds, these tools are packed with power. Let's get into it. AI tool number 1, ChatGPT just launched GPT 4.1 Mini and GPT 4.1 Nano for API developers, and now, the AI Agent Innovation Academy is training its students in how to use the new latest and greatest LLMs. Let's get into it. Let's face it, OpenAI's ChatGPT has been a leader in the AI sector from the start. With plugins, code interpreter, and real-time search now powered by GPT 4o, it's more than just a chatbot, it's your personal research assistant. Need to turn scripts into videos fast? Pictory.ai auto-generates stunning videos from text, perfect for content creators and marketers. For ultra-realistic voiceovers, ElevenLabs is the leader. It's what we used for this video, and the results speak for themselves. Imagine launching a website in under 60 seconds. Durable uses AI to create full websites, including copy and design instantly. A true Google alternative. Perplexity delivers real-time answers with cited sources and rich links, making search feel smarter. Here's a bonus AI tool: turn long videos into shorts automatically using Opus Clip. It finds highlights and adds dynamic captions instantly. Okay, let's recap: ChatGPT, Pictory, ElevenLabs, Durable, Perplexity, and a bonus, Opus Clip. Each of these can make your workflow faster, smarter, and more efficient. Oh yeah, and if you want to get certified in AI Essentials, visit AIAgentInnovation.com. Do you want more weekly AI news updates? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Useful AI Hacks, and click the notification bell, so you'll be notified when the next Useful AI Hacks video launches.